up, YouTube? It's your boy T. I'm back again today with a beater box from Supremacy this time. This box ran me $975. $975 with the shipping and all of that cool stuff. I got the knife. I thought I left it behind. Back to the Supremacy boxes, man. That last box was dope. Appreciate all you guys who watched that video from Statement, man. That box was super good. $500 box. If you missed that one, go back and check it out. It was pretty nice, man. Hopefully the luck continues with this one. I think the most profitable box I've had so far in I can't even say in 2021, but the most profitable box I've had, I'd say in the last 6 months, if my numbers are correct, is a $1,000 box. It was a $1,000 box I had purchased. I don't remember exactly what was in it, but when I ran the numbers, it was the most profitable one so far. Of course, I haven't finished selling shoes from other boxes to beat that, but this one right here, man, was $975. I got a lot of loose pairs in here. We got the Ultra Boost. Let's see what size these are. 7.5. That is a rare size for me to get. 7.5. I honestly don't know where the other one is. These shoes are just kind of thrown around in here. Let me see. 7.5 Ultra Boost. Check them out. Not dead stock. I don't think they're dead stock. No, these aren't dead stock. These are very clean though. Very clean. 7.5. Probably be a tougher size for me to move. I wish they were like an 8.5 at least. But pretty sure they will sell. We got a Kyrie. I'm not at all familiar with Kyrie models. This is a size 11 though, with the Friends. I remember seeing these when they dropped, the TV show Friends. I don't know if that was homie's favorite show or what, but Kyrie, man. Kyries have a lot of traction in them. When I used to go shoot around at the court, people would always say Kyries were pretty cool hoop shoes. Check out the bottom. Lightly worn, no box, unfortunately. Those are a size 11. We got some Jordan 10s. Another size 11. You guys already know what these are. Not dead stock. We got the OVO 10s. The Drake joints. Check out the bottom. You can kind of see OVO on the bottom. Hopefully the camera's catching that. These are not dead stock, but very, very clean. Size 11. Got the owl on the inside of them. Check that out. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. It's my size. But your boy don't need to be keeping any more kicks right now. I'm actually getting ready to re-downsize the collection again. Seems like I gotta do that every so often. We got a public school. We got a Jordan 15. Jordan 15 PSNY. I've seen PSNYs. This one has the like a woven upper, not dead stock. The box says that they are a size 8. That's a big box though. These are a size 8. This is actually a promo. The tag says, I don't know who, these are size 8. Tag says promo. I'm not even gonna try to show y'all the tag in the camera because I know you guys won't be able to see it. But man, check them out. Jordan 15s. Some people can pull them off. They actually look way better in smaller sizes than they do in the bigger sizes. This right here, I know just throws a lot of people off. Excuse the background. I don't know if you guys can hear my son in the background. He in the living room going nuts right now. We got him a little basketball goal, so he been dunking on the goal all day, every day. He is now a year and 6 months. And I'm gonna put this up later, cause that's gonna take 10 minutes by itself. So we done got out with 4 pairs so far, and we still have 5 left. So y'all stick with me on this one, man. We got a Nike Dunk Low CDG. You guys know what the CDG is. Comme des Garçons, if I'm saying that correctly. This is a dunk, man. This is a size 7.5 in men, 9 in women. This is actually pretty clean. I like this. I like these a lot. Never seen them before. They dead stock tied, but they're not dead stock, as you can see from the bottoms here. Check them out. Let me take this out. Size 9 in women. Yeah, 9 in women, 7.5 in men. I wish these was a 9 in men. These would probably go really fast. Again, 7.5 isn't a size that I'm quick to sell on. So y'all watching this video, you might have a really good shot at those still being available if you're 7.5 in men or 9 in women. A lot of y'all been hitting me up asking why I haven't been posting on TGOTSOLE for sale. It's because when I shoot the videos, I try to give you guys an opportunity to buy them, so that way the subscribers get first dibs before I start throwing them up on Instagram. Because, you know what I'm saying, I want to help y'all out first, because I appreciate each and every one of y'all watching these videos, for real. We got a Jordan Low Tuxedo size 8.5. And they were in the box. This is a replacement box. Somebody wrote the shoe on the box though, so that's how I knew what was in there. And this is another solid pair of Jordan 11s. These still go for some pretty good money. Not dead stock. I feel like Jordan 11s will always sell no matter what size you got, what colorway you get. Jordan 11s will forever sell and will forever sell fast. Most of the time I don't even have to post Jordan 11s on the for sale page or GOAT or anything like that. They'll either go to one of you guys watching the video, or here locally I throw them up on Facebook and they'll be gone instantly. We got a size 8 in men's, 9.5 in women's of the Nike GAYBREAK and Undercover. Had this shoe, you guys already know. I fox with it. It's a cool little kick. I know the back throws a lot of people off. I had these before in the 13. Still have yet to look up on my size, and I refuse to go buy them. I really have got spoiled with the boxes, man. If I don't get my shoes out of beater boxes, I do a trade of some sort. A lot of shoes in my collection came from a beater box or from a trade that I did within some shoes that came in a box. These are dope to me, man. Just a cool little runner. Again, size 8 in men, 9.5 in women. We got 2 left. Y'all want the Jordan or the Yeezy next? Man, we're gonna do the Yeezy next. 700. Haven't had one of these in a while. Size 11, 700. Not gonna read the colorway. This is a clean colorway. I don't know the nickname to these. Size 11. 700s in my opinion look way better than 500s. 700s look way better than 500s. Check out the bottom. These look like they were barely worn. Let me check out the bottom. They're not dead stock. I try to make that be known in the video. These are not dead stock. Check them out. I had a nickname for them and all that cool stuff down below. Size 11. Funny part is when I pull the shoes out the boxes, I'm already knowing who's gonna hit me up for them. I already know which homie's gonna want what. I never had this box before. This is dope. Jordan 5. And again, don't know the nickname, I'm sorry. But these are dope. These are supposed to be like the poor man's organ. I hate hearing that poor man stuff, but that's what I was hearing people call these. These are dope. Size 9, not dead stock. The condition is just very, very clean. Again, it's gonna be an easy move. These are dope. I didn't know that they came in this box. Funny part is about this box is I didn't even want this beater box. I was going for like a $1,200 box they had posted, and I struck out on it. So I had to, you can only check out one box at a time, and I was really trying to get that $1,200 box, and didn't even want this box. Luckily, I got it anyway because this box was very, very nice. I put all that potential profit and all that struck out on it. So I had to, you can only check out one box at a time, and I was really trying to get that $1,200 box, and didn't even want this box. Luckily, I got it anyway because this box was very, very nice. I put all that potential profit and all that cool stuff down below so you guys can check that out for yourself. Make sure you hit that sub button. I got 2 more boxes on the way. Again, I'm always a little bit behind on the uploads on these, so you guys watching this video, there's already more boxes on the way. Make sure you hit that sub button. Hit me up on TGOTSOLE for sale if you see something you like, or email me. Shout out to Marcus and Anthony. I told myself I was gonna shout them 2 dudes out. Having faith in me, I built more beater boxes. So shout out to them 2 dudes out in Arkansas. Again, I know that takes a lot of trust, so thank you for all the support. Hit that sub button, and that's it. I'm out. Peace.